Hello everyone, today I'm back with another T.T.M video, so let's get started. So, the first one took 12 days to get back to me, and the person signed 202, and that person would be, get it out of here, former Kansas City Royal. I'll move my note out of the way here. Former Kansas City Royal, Mr. Amos Otis. Here he is on a 1979 Topps. I'll set that one right there, and a 1977 Topps. So there is a $5 charge per card for Mr. Amos Otis. He also wrote this on my note. Thank you, stay safe, and Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. That was nice of him. And I'll show you Mr. Otis's career stats. He really had a really good career in the major leagues. He had over 2,000 hits, over 300 stolen bases. Fantastic career. So the next one took 21 days, and the person signed 6 of 6 for me. And that person is former Seattle Mariner, Mr. Bill Swift. Down here he is on a 89 Fleer. Turned out nice. Here he is on a 85 Topps. When he was on the U.S. Olympic team, I like that one. We'll set this one over here. Here he is with the Rockies. Didn't turn out too bad either. He is with the Giants. This one got a little smeared, but that's okay. And last but not least, here he is again with the Giants on a 1993 Topps, which turned out pretty good. Got a little smeared up here, but that's all right. Set this one down. And I'll show you his career stats. All right, the next one took 39 days to get back to me, and the person signed 3 of 3, and that person would be, sent me some literature too. I'll show you that after I show you the cards. Former Texas Ranger, Mr. Billy Sample. I like this one here. I'll set this one over here. And here he is from the last one with the New York Yankees. So I'll show you what he sent me. I believe he sends this to everybody. It's out of a magazine article, out of a magazine. And I wrote something along the side here. Eric, continued success with your baseball card collection. Best health to you and loved ones, Billy. That was really nice of him. And I'll show you Billy's career stats. I don't know what this is. I think maybe the envelope didn't seal right, and he wanted to put something over it to make sure it's sealed right. All right, the next one took 31 days, and the person signed 101 for me, and that person would be Hall of Famer, Mr. Brooks Robertson. Here he is on a Allen Ginter from 2013. Turned out really nice. I'll set this one right here, front and center. And I'll read you a little bit what he wrote back to me. I asked him, do you have any hobbies? If so, what are they? He says grandkids, so I guess his hobbies are his grandkids. And his favorite teammate was Boog Powell. It was nice, Mr. Robertson, to answer my questions for me. And I'll show you his career stats. Crazy stats. 18-time All-Star. 16-time Gold Glove winner. Of course, he's in the Hall of Fame. All right. The next one took 129 days, and the person signed 2 of 4 for me, and that person would be former Atlanta Falcon, Mr. Jamal Anderson. And he signed, what is this? This is a 1996 scoreboard card. This is kind of has a paper feel to it. Doesn't have a glossy finish on it. I really like this one. We'll set this one right here. All right, there we go. And here's the last one he signed for me, and this is a Upper Deck UD3 from 1998. Cool. And he must have kept the other two cards, which is fine with me. I have no problem with that. And here are Mr. Jamal Anderson's career stats. All right. Last but not least, this one took 89 days, and the person signed 2 or 3 for me. He must have kept the third one because I didn't get that one back. It is former New England Patriots receiver, Mr. Stanley Morgan. And a 1989 Topps. Got a little smeared. I must have forgot to prep this one. It's crazy how these Topps cards that you have to prep them because they seem to have like a waxy coating on them. So what's this one? This is an 85? No, 83. Right there's an 83 Topps. That one turned out really nice. So I'll set this one here and I'll set this one here. I'll show you Mr. Morgan's career stats. He had a really good career. Matter of fact, an excellent career. All right, that's all I have for today, folks. I want to thank Mr. Bill Swift, Mr. Jamal Anderson, Mr. Brooks Robinson, Mr. Amos Otis, Mr. Billy Sample, Mr. Stanley Morgan, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Just remember, keep collecting, keep searching for those hidden gems, and keep having fun. Later.